Introducing One Page. Checkout Pro, single-page checkout to reduce cart abandonment. Streamlined checkout experience combining login, registration, address, shipping, and payment methods on one page. Fully customizable to configure fields, layout, and design as per store requirements. Social login integration, including Google, Facebook, and PayPal for faster checkout. Module understanding video of super checkout of OpenCart module. So here we are proceeding for the budget installation first. To install the module on the OpenCart store, you have to install it through the FTP server. So to install the same on the left side, you should have your local directory on the right side. You should have your store directory under the store directory. You should have a folder of admin image catalog system. And the same folder you have to open on your left side from the locals. Go to the module folder, go under the module upload. You have to choose all the files and drag it to your right side. Once you drag them, they will overwrite the same name file, and the module will get installed from the FTP here. After that, you have to upload the OC mode file. So when the module is installed through the FTP, then you have to go on the installer tab where you have to upload the OC mode file. You have to go on the upload button and redirect to the local. Once you will upload the OC mode file, it will upload it here. Go to the modification tab and refresh the tab and clear the cache. Once you have cleared the cache, once again, refresh the tab, then go to the extension tab. Here, find the modules. You have to select the module from filter. Once it is selected, go to the super checkout module. Here you have to install the module first. Then you have to go on the edit button. When you will move to the edit, it will show a general setting. So when you will completely install the module, you will find a module like this. And here you will find that first tab is of disable the module. Next, we are having the enable the newsletter option, in case you want a newsletter to be enabled on your super checkout page. Then you can enable the same. Next, we are having of register the guest automatically if you will enable it and guest has entered the email and save the address for the first order. Then the email will be captured and he will get the sign up for the session next. We are having a registered account in case you want your news users to get registered in your store. Then you can enable this select the default option at the checkout. You can select the option that you want it to be pre-selected in your checkout page. Next, we are having the display guest in case you want your guest option to be displayed on super checkout. Then you can enable this functionality. Next, we are having the add custom style here. You can add the custom CSS that will work for your store. Next, we are having add minimum amount of free shipping banner here. We will show the free shipping banner. And if you will cross the amount that has been entered here in your card, then the free shipping banner will be shown as the remaining amount will be shown to complete so that the free shipping banner will be given next. We are having enable the auto detect country here if you will enable it. And the user has filled the country only then. The auto detection will work for the state and a PIN code for that specific country. If this field is enabled next, we are having the inline validation. This inline validation will work for the specific fields, like the phone number, first name, and the last name next. We are having the enable Google auto address field, in case you will enable it. Then we will have it. Then we can use the auto detect country, else we cannot next. We are having the enable new tablet. We have given a new 2 templates in your super checkout of OpenCart store. So if you will enable it, the new template will work. As the default template will work on the super checkout next, we are having a test mode. If you will enable it, then you will have a testing URL. This shows that a normal user cannot access your store. If on the super checkout, this page will not be accessible to the normal user if they have entered this URL, then only they will be getting the super checkout page else. Not, so we mostly keep it disabled. Once you have made all the modifications, you just have to click on Save so that the details will get saved and you will have a success message, like you have modified the general settings successfully. Now let's see on the super checkout page how it looks. Go to the front end, and where you will find the super checkout page, you just have to add to cart a product so that you can move to the checkout page. As you can see, this is how the super checkout module works on the front end. This is a guest login. This is a new register login. This is a login button of the pre-existing customers. This is a social login with the Facebook and a Google user. Can you use these 2 buttons to do the social login? Next, we are having the customizer tab. The Customizer tab allows you to change the color of the buttons of the text of the border lines that are being present in the super checkout. The first is a button background color. You can change button border color. You can change button text color. You can change the same as with the button border. bottom color, my account button background color, login button background color, same as you can do with the custom CSS and custom CSS. You can enter the custom CSS and custom CSS that will work on your Super Checkout tab. Next, we are having the login that I have already shown. 2 logins have been given for the social media. One is a Super Facebook, next is a Super Checkout on Google. So if you have entered the correct details of both, then you can have the 3 social logins active on your Super Checkout page and do the registration through the social media without hustling through, filling the details while registration form. Next, we are having the payment address tab when you will move to the payment address tab. So on the payment address tab, you will find all the fields related to the form of payment address, like the billing for invoice address. So here you can handle the fields that you wanted to show in your billing address. As you can see, you can make them required. You can make them show and hide for the logged in and non-logged in user. You can manage the fields from here if you will. Uncheck the same. It will work accordingly. Next, we are having same with the invoice, like the shipping address. So here also you can handle the fields. Next, we are having the shipping tab here. You can handle the shipping method you want. Your shipping method to be shown only via text, only by image, or only text with the image. So you can select any of them if you are selected only image. So you just need to upload the image from here. The logo that you have to upload of your shipping. Then only the image will be displayed on the front end. If you have selected the text with image, then the text that you have mentioned here will be listed according to the uploaded image. Next, we are having Ship to Pay. Ship to Pay tab works with the shipping and payment method. If you have selected this payment, if you have selected any payment method from the listing mapped under this shipping only, and user will select the flat rate shipping, then the selected payment address will only be displayed to him on the Super Checkout page. Else non-selected will not be shown with the selected shipping method. Next, we are having the payment method as you can handle with the shipping method. The text, the image, the text with image, the driver. You can check if you want your payment method to be shown via name. Then you can check select the text only if you want to be shown with the image, and you can select the shipping only. Next, we are having the cart page here. You can handle the fields that you wanted to show on the cart. If you wanted to show for the logged in user, you wanted to show that cart. If you wanted to not want to show the product image, you wanted to show only the name and a model and the quantity. You do not want it to show on the cart page the price and the total. So accordingly, you can handle the fields here. If you wanted to show, you can check and uncheck the same. Then we are having a design tab where we have given the 3 types of design you can handle the as of now. This is a 3-part of Super Checkout. So if you have, then we are having the design tab this is the design tab view where you can select the 1 column. This is how it looks in the 1 column. This is the 2nd column. This is how it goes with a 2nd column. And then we are having the newsletter where you can have 3 mail marketing options of MailChimp, Klaviyo, and Sendinblue. You have to make the API key on their respective platforms, and you can update the keys here. Once you have updated, the Super Checkout will capture the email and update that email in their list, so you can use those emails for any future promotions at your store further. Let's proceed on the front end. How it works on the front end. Let's just do first the registration. You have to do the registration. You have to fill all the details. You have to select the important checks. Here, this is a card. This is a free shipping, which shows that 99.9% has been completed. You have to add more €80. So what you can do to increase this, just increase the quantity, and you can check that the free shipping banner is shown as 100% excess. And also the quantity is being updated along with the price. Here you can add the comment for your order. This is a checkbox of return policy and terms and condition when you will click on. As soon as you will click, the loader will load inside the button. You will see that order is being placed through the Super Checkout. So this is how the OpenCart Super Checkout model work. Thank you.